Hello everyone and welcome back to Mama Joe's channel. Today's video is all about how I prepare this delicious noodle salad. So if you want to know how I did it, follow me to the kitchen. The ingredients you need are lax, 1 seasoning cube, 1 teaspoon of salt, chili pepper, tomato, cucumber, lettuce, nutmeg, garlic, carrots, onions, oil, shrimps, and noodles. Put the noodles in a bowl and add boiled water to it and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to filter out the water. Add half spoon of salt to the hot oil and also add the lax and shrimps. Leave it to fry for 15 minutes on medium heat and stir every 5 minutes. Take the lax and shrimps out of the pan and please don't pour away the oil because we will need it later. Add the onions to the fry pan which already contains hot oil and fry for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of frying the onions, add garlic, nutmeg, 1 seasoning cube and half teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients together. Also add the tomato and stir everything together. Add to the noodles your carrots and cucumber. Also add the chili peppers and continue mixing. Add the already fried tomato and onions to it and continue mixing. Also add lettuce and 2 tablespoons of the oil you use in frying the lard and shrimp. Then mix together. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.